No wonder it's so bad. It's so cheap and nobody's here.
Fed up with this nonsense.
Well then, I'll help you. Say goodbye. That's so realistic.
Wow, I can't believe it. Oh my god, no way. Yeah.
That's because it's real.
Who are you trying to fool?
I am a detective.
Oh god! No!
This is the weapon the murderer used. Need some hair samples? Let's see. A 40-degree bullet hit straight through her neck. But this gun was too small to hit a bullet that size. But if she didn't do it, then who did it? Not long enough. Time to catch another criminal.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Worldwide News. Today we will be discussing the death of two actresses. Here to join us is a detective that was on the scene. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm great, actually. I'm on the Worldwide News.
So, what do we know so far?
What we know so far is the actress on stage was not the one who murdered. Someone else was at the scene. Someone else who killed. I tracked him as far as I could last night, but he got away out of the theatre. And another girl got killed. One of the actresses with a gun. She was a part of the person who got killed, so I shot her just to make sure she wouldn't get away. And I really hope that this is a case that I can crack.
Good. And now, can you show us here what our suspect looks like?
What a suspect looks like so far is that he has, I don't really know actually. I haven't got to see his face. But all I know is that he has short hair and that he is a boy. I haven't seen his eyes, what colour are they, or what type of nose he has. I am going to find him, but guys, just to make sure, close your doors at night and keep the telly on. I know it's going to get a large electricity bill, but it's keeping your house safe.
Yes, thank you. That's all for today, and join us tomorrow at 6 o'clock and we'll be discussing flying hippopotamuses.
Hello and welcome to this year's competition of I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Eire. I'm your host, Brian Tuberty. This is the show where we drop a bunch of celebrities into the miserable island of Ireland. Look, here they come now. Billie Eilish, Harry Styles, Kendall Jenner, PewDiePie, Brittany Shears. Now they're arriving at the camp. Let's go and see. Excuse me, I'll take that. That. Thank you.
No, it's my high scores.
Now what? Hello and welcome to the first challenge, called Make the Perfect Cup of Tea. Let's see how they're getting on. The kettle's just boiled, let's see what the ladies do. Wait, what? No, you don't put in the milk first. What? One dip! One dip! What do you think you're making? Hot water? Well then, guess there's no winner in the tea making competition. What's wrong? Oh my god! Hello? Detective Bones, we need you.
I'm on my way. I'm Detective Bones. Where's the crime scene?
It's in there.
Alright. Where's the dead body?
Sir, you're standing on it.
Oh my gosh. There's been a murder. Go, cordon off the area. So, after my intense research last night, I finally found out who the murderer is. And I'm gonna catch you red-handed. And I found out that it is you, Billie Eilish. Billie Eilish, you're under arrest for the murder of Harry Styles and PewDiePie. You're a bad guy.
Duh.
Come in. Agents, your mission is to retrieve back the cure for the zombie virus from the lab. We think that lab is overrun, so be careful.
Yes, sir.
When you got the cure, bring it back to me.
Yes, sir.